We will guide you through how to make blur transition on CapCut PC. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch the Windows Start menu on your computer and find CapCut by entering its name into the search field. Click the CapCut icon to start the application and wait until the home screen is fully displayed before continuing. Open a saved project or begin a new editing project, depending on your needs. Import the video clips that will be joined with a transition if they have not already been added to the project. Arrange the clips in sequence on the timeline so they are placed directly next to each other without unnecessary gaps. Navigate to the animation toolbar to access the transition library. Allow the transition library to open completely before searching for a specific effect. Use the search field to look for the blur transition by typing its name into the search box. Browse the filtered results and choose the blur transition you prefer based on the style that best matches your project. Click the selected transition or drag it between the clips to insert it into the timeline, depending on your version of CapCut. After applying the transition, preview the playback to see how the blur effect blends the clips together and observe whether the movement looks natural. Modify the duration until the transition feels smooth and fits the pace of your video. Watch the edited section again to confirm the blur effect creates a seamless connection between the clips without appearing too abrupt or too slow. Once you are satisfied with the transition, continue editing the rest of your project by adding more effects, transitions, or other enhancements as needed. Review the completed sequence from beginning to end to ensure every transition works consistently throughout the video.